Hey everybody, so I figured it'd be a good idea to show you how 3 different thicknesses of whittling knife blades cut through basswood slightly differently. Each one of these knives right here are some of the ones that I suggest for people. Beavercraft is one of the more basic and affordable ones that I suggest to beginners, especially beginners on a budget. FlexCut is a nicer version, but it is more expensive. And then this is a Helvey knife, which is my highest end knife that I personally own and is one of my favorite ones to use. Each one of these are a little bit different in blade thickness, with the Helvey knife there at the bottom being the thinnest, the FlexCut being in the middle, and the Beavercraft being on the top. To some of you, you're thinking, oh, it's just a minor difference. What difference is it going to be? But it does make a pretty good difference. All these knives I have here are pretty sharp, as you can see. This Beavercraft knife does cut through the wood decently well. Sometimes it can cause the wood to split, like you can sort of see right there, it's starting to split. The thinner knife of the FlexCut does kind of glide through the wood a little bit easier and is a bit of an easier and nicer cut. It'll still kind of cause minor splitting, but you barely really see it. You know, I don't think the video camera is going to pick it up here. But it cuts through the wood pretty nicely since it's a thin knife. And then my Helvey knife, I mean, this just like, it cuts through the wood like nothing. It's one of the reasons why you see my tutorial videos that it looks like I'm just like cutting through nothing at all, but there's like no splitting on there whatsoever when I cut into it at an angle. It's really nice. There is a substantial difference going from each level of blade here. So keep that in mind when you're buying blades that while they'll all cut, they're not all made the same. Some of the higher quality blades will provide a much better carving experience than some other ones. And if you feel like you have a good knife but you're still having trouble figuring out like what kind of wood to get, check out this video over here. I tested a whole bunch of different pieces of different companies' basswood to see which one I like the best. So go ahead and check that out if you're having trouble trying to find right basswood for you. All right, thanks everyone. Have a good one.